Kat, we've been working for about a year and a half on the S4 HANA transformation journey with you guys. What was Aventor Sciences actually trying to resolve, or what was the challenge they were trying to resolve?
Yeah, so I think the core driver for the business transformation at Avantor was really our desire to move into a segmented business model. And in order to do that, we really needed to look at transformation within our system landscape to allow that to happen, not only from an external reporting perspective, but also from an internal management landscape. And then we also wanted to combine that with starting to look at more formal master data governance in order to support that. And so in order to make that external segmentation transformation happen, that's why we embarked on the CFIN journey with PwC.
We're a community of problem solvers, right? How do you think PwC helped enable and assist with implementing S4 transformation with CFIN and MDG to deliver you the most efficient reporting experience?
Avantor from the get-go had really clear accountability and leadership support, and then PwC really came in to help us build a holistic solution. So really to look at our CFIN landscape, full transactional replication from our SAP environments, but also monthly reporting from our non-SAP environments, implementing MDG to really help us have the right data governance for the financial piece of the reporting, as well as then bring in the components of group reporting and also SAC analytics. So it was really a holistic solution that PwC brought to the table. And I also just feel like from an approach perspective, it was really a partnership in those core areas, not only from an IT landscape, but also in the business transformation aspects. We got a lot of support, and then also just with the rigor with the PMO to drive a successful program on a very accelerated timeline.
How do you think PwC helped assist bring technology and people together to help you get the most and maximum out of your transformation journey? Because I think the people and the technology kind of go hand in hand, right?
From an approach perspective, the combination of people and technology, right? We had a lot of work to do in process standardization as we thought about how the data was going to go over to the new landscape, consolidating into the core reports that we need, right? Really thinking about the future state process and how that was going to enable us. And again, as I referred before, I think it was really that combination of the technical capability as well as the functional business process support that really allowed us to come up with a solution that really from a finance team perspective was a realization of the things that they had been looking for a long time. So not only realizing the external reporting ambitions of the company, but also having a finance team that in terms of what they were able to get from the system with harmonized reporting and financial data really all came together based on that approach. I think one thing that's really important to understand about our journey is the accelerated time frame, right? This was a journey that we have mapped out as a 2-year progression, and it really turned into a 1-year roadmap. And so I think in that phase 0, as I look back to those big rocks that we decided on, right, those key decisions that we knew we needed to make, I think having the space and time with support from PwC in that focused way to make those key decisions, to think about what were those critical elements that needed to then serve the guardrails as we moved forward was vital to our ability to then meet the timeline and then execute as we got into build mode and detailed design. We were constantly coming back to those decisions that we made in phase 0, and that's really what allowed us to move forward so quickly and ultimately to be successful.